Guys ready for this? Start it up. Start it up. Start it up, start it up, start it up. All right, we got no time to get too fancy here. I don't have time to make an engine run stand and everything. We're just gonna run it. Nice and simple. Fill the float bowl up. That should be good. That should be good. Okay. All right, we're all set up. Power to the coil. Don't worry, Safety Sally. Got a good brand new fire extinguisher right by my side. Back you up a little bit here. Alright, this thing's gonna run. I'm gonna run it for like 20 minutes. It doesn't have a new cam in it or lifters, so I'm not really worried about that, but I'm still gonna run it for 20 minutes. Just like you're supposed to. Double checking everything. We got no fuel leaks. I had to take the carburetor off and I had a little leak, but just wasn't really, a couple little things weren't tight. Alright, we're good to go. Alright, wasn't bad. Pretty good. Well, she's alive. Probably there's a couple little things, of course, that need to be addressed, but no big deal. It's ready to go in the car this weekend. I'll be driving it soon. Excited. All right. Thanks for following along. As always, hit the like, comment, subscribe. Get this thing installed. Tooling around before you know it. Look at what happened.
Oh no.
Good thing I chained it. Well, the tractor hit the latch and shattered the whole assembly for the locking mechanism, so we got to replace that. Good thing I put the chain on it. Okay. All right. I had a little bit of an idling problem, but the engine is complete, ready to go in. Just doing a quick throttle cable, new throttle cable. The other one was kind of beat, and I think we're going to be driving this today. Keep watching. All right, outdoor garage in full effect today. We got to get the engine from over here to over here. It's all level here, level ground. And I'm kind of getting low on plywood, so we're gonna have to do a little dance here. I know you guys like a good laugh, so stay tuned. Well, it's in, and I've been fiddling with hooking everything up, adjusting the clutch. You didn't want to see this install. It was a mess. All right. Let this jack down. Everything's hooked up. Whoa! Oh, that was stupid. Why did I do that on camera? All right, here we go. Moment of truth. Hopefully. Oh, would help to get the key. It's the old fart. It came with the car. Isn't that cool? Alright, I see. Come on, matey. Oh, we got 2 lights. Take the camera. Take the camera with you. Okay. All right, we'll take it. We'll take it. Mama's happy. Well, we're back down at the river. Just like when I first put her on the road. Running pretty good after a complete rebuild. We'll go for a drive. Gotta get Dad a beep. Just out for a drive. I saw this freed John Deere mulcher, but you know what? I'm gonna pass. I don't need another project. It definitely looks like a project. Tell you, she is running. Perfect. Perfect. No leaks. A little stinky in here. Definitely had some critters living in here. Hey tubers, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And new viewers, thanks for being here. More content to come. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. I do this for you guys and gals, my family, friends. Just really fun to put this together for you. So thanks for watching, and please come back. Hope you enjoy. Take care.